Welcome back to Tugger TV. I know I'm gonna post a while now. I'm telling the truth. I've been an idle. Yeah, been an idle a bit. Yeah, but I'm back here now. Yeah, I'm wanting to continue support the movie. Big up the Liars fans them. Been a wait for me drop a new movie. Big up the people them I keep them post notification. They'll answer it. You see me? Me there see me, I'm not gone. You see me? I'm back here now and I want to know watch the story to the end. Tell me, because it's a really touching story, so tell me how am I doing another one. And comment, no honest comment down below as usual as I say. Big up on yourself, talk us that.
Dance I go last night. It bad your backside. I'm going with myself as a girl.
Every night today a party. You not plan for change?
What for change?
You can't party so you're not even at work. So your parties more than where you get money.
When we get money?
Because you just stay a party
I
and not
want
work.
me no need for work.
And that's the next thing too, you're not afraid that it's out there hard, you know?
It's not here right now.
Yeah, it's not here right now. And a good you be good living and use protection.
No about me on the party. And my business that the party.
Me realize you need to tap, you need to change, you need to do better. Because this not going away.
You're like you're perfect.
Me not perfect, but me I do better than you. One man me have.
Look at your business. One man now rule nowadays. You have to have a 10 man.
You soon know. You soon catch belly and know why that is.
No worry about that. Me never stop take my pill them. By the way, how you sure say you alone your man have? When?
Well, all if I know me want him have, we use protection. So any girl him figure out there, he must know where he want
to catch.
Good as
all one girl catches right now. You see like
that's a
chat
business that up to him. But me know what me I do and me know so me protected. You not protect yourself, you not do nothing.
So you have one man here. Where your man use protection for?
Because me can't trust nobody in a so time around.
It no make no sense you're there with demanding if I can't trust him.
What you mean?
Make no sense.
Me there with him, yes. But me no know him I do, me not know him there now. So me can say, oh, him there church. Me can go say him there church. No.
I don't
me not
know.
swear for no man.
Your business if I want to swear for man, me know. I have whole for them and I'm not swear for none of them.
That me realize you have whole for them and you're running it hard. You behave like you're a taxi or you're a chichi bus.
You know bus them I got mobile. Me I one of them one day. Hot breath.
Look here, you need to stop the way you do. I'm serious now. You need to stop it. You need to behave better.
That's what you want.
Me your sister.
How that affect me? On my life, me a big woman, me live my life how I live it.
But guess so you live your life.
You know, count on mommy for me, you know. For some mommy know are you. Me not like we don't know.
You need to stop. Because if you don't stop, you'll get what you look for. You soon know.
Thank you, girl.
What?
Me there here.
You good?
There's nice so.
I am my sister, me there talk to you, but she not here at all. She not here. No matter what I say to her, she not here at all. I'm tired to talk to her. I hope you not do like she, you know.
So I don't like she.
So you rub for your nose, so?
Nothing.
You go on here, so much subject you get there?
Girl, I'm not get no subject. Maybe if my daddy sit to me, that maybe get one or two, but I'm not get none.
And then you tell me, say you not do like my sister?
No, I'm not do like your sister, mama. Your sister do foolishness. I'm not do them the foolishness thing.
But you ain't get no subject. You see me always talk to you, no me talk to you well, but you don't listen. You don't listen.
What do you mean by girl? Sometimes I have to just do something and say sorry.
Say sorry. So what sorry bring you now? What sorry bring you now?
No, yeah, Edman. So get through.
Get through with one.
In our life, I want to run the job, girl. So, then I go home.
Me soon gone.
Oh,
Me soon gone. Me just sit down and say I take a little breeze and I say that the picnic ain't even listen to nobody. So at this point, it better me just making God and go do what I do.
true. I can't stop people from there, they want to.
And you know what I say part too? She all on me. And I'm me a fear till I write. And you see them there something there? Big girl, bigger than me, where you expect say a little one for a leader straight, I bigger wanna do it. And they say children do what they learn, you know. But me glad me not do what me learn from she, you know, cause if me did do what me run from she, me then I run my body red. Red. And me can't, me no like it. Me no like it at all.
So, girl, I'm not for smoke. You can buy more cigarette or one
Just see me a
special.
smoke.
So, you can buy me something.
I'm for buy you, I'm
$100.
for buy you.
I'm Mataran.
Me not buy Mataran. If you want something for heat, me can get you money and buy you if
Girl,
you
I'm
want
not
for eat.
hungry.
Well, me can't support your smoking or your drinking. And that's why you're there scratch so cause you can't even keep steady.
Nerves are go, man. Must have to
Yeah, to
calm
amount of
down.
things in your system you must go. Stop smoking. You say it make you scratch like you have
Girl, you
lice.
can't know me just want to live in it.
What?
Wow, look how I'm gonna see
You
you.
say you good do?
Yeah, me alright. I see a glue one thing.
Yes, man, that's all I agree with me.
Yeah, really agree with you, girl. So we are doing what so.
No, sit down, me just not talk to my sister and my friend come here so and I'm talk to her now, me see you.
Oh, I don't know what to do.
Oh,
Anyway, as I dump on the room, I did a walk go.
oh. Go on later.
Yeah, do
Go
your
on
thing,
next
girl.
time,
Me
yeah.
see you.
Yeah.
So, she your friend?
Yes, I'm a good friend.
Girl, that ain't a friend. That ain't a friend. You tell me about me a catch because I'm fit up smoke, I'm fit up this, I'm fit up that. You have top keep them friend there. That ain't a good friend. See if I tell her A, she gonna say A, B, C, D, E, F, G. She not say A alone. She gonna twist it up, mama. Them not a good friend for have.
Well, as far as me say, she never really called back my name, so anybody else name when she call back, I just fear her business and them.
Mama, she not call back your name it. Just give her a little time.
Well, me will know if I caution her then.
Yeah. So anyways, me I go down the road go look at Craven, you know. So, you
That's
see you
all you
now
good
later.
for.
Yeah,
Yeah.
man.
Why you young girl?
Marika,
Morgan.
go girl long time, I not see you good.
Yeah, I'm good. Where you go?
Me not really go nowhere. And you me didn't want to see for the other day. You know I say you show up your money at the end and share the money good cause me not get no share right now. I mean here say yeah, give out share and spend share. Someone know that go.
Mama.
Cause I'm supposed to share everything.
Mama. It's one time. It's one time I get the money other day. Me never get no share. I want my ex-man them call me and give me a money. I know for your money. And the money where we go on that the mission. They say no, no mission for me.
No.
Why?
Me just have a sense say you go around the thing. I'm not like when people go around me. Me not understand. We in a business together. We supposed to share the money.
Girl, me your best friend for a long time. I can't do me this.
Girl, me know say me your best friend for a long time, you know. But me here want little birdie. Me here want little birdie I talk about how you like you share if me get for me share. Me I said no, me no get no share. And I'm me they tell you all I mission them there. Cause all you do is just go do the work and all of that.
No. Me never get no share. I'm more do that to you. A fire you come from.
You sure?
Yeah, but sure.
God just push it down while I go cause you tell like.
No. No put that in this.
Anyways, me not a new client I come up with, but I want a client now because I broke a little money you give me you know good and a little bit of money. A little bit of money.
My last friend, I can't do me that. You have to give me a rush too. Anything you want to do, me have to do it too, you know.
Yeah man.
So,
When me get to a new client, me get a second chance. Oh yeah, wonder, say this a time or two. We not this I do the last time we yeah. We not think if we do that again, cause
No, we
me
not.
not like for you go my bed and a fret. You can make me a fret.
None of that again. None of that again.
Me have one, me say, girl, me have one rich white man. See one rich, our.
Hold on.
Hmm?
Hold on.
Who? Oi, come here. You come here, come here, realize say enough. Come here. We all look for this, so.
I want to keep me last, right? As I see me, I look at me see.
No killer there, so me have some customer here with the talk about. Come realize the funny other day say
Me not hear nothing. Me not hear nothing.
What that? What
What?
that? What
Me
that?
not
What
hear
else?
nothing. Me not hear nothing. Nothing me not hear. Me not hear who. Me not hear nothing. Nothing me not hear.
No matter what.
Wait about
What is?
what that?
Me not hear. That means I me don't hear nothing. One of that said, me must say me dumb.
You're dumb.
You dumb and it just a chat. Oh, that makes sense. You dumb and you dey talk.
I never said the same about out of my grandmother.
Me not hear nothing.
She not really
I
have no
said
sense.
the pan. On the female.
Wait, you don't say no sense, Riri?
Me don't hear nothing. Me just have look for me key when me laugh.
Alright, good
No key in there, yes, so. Look down next to no key in there, yes, so.
Yeah, come me look at me see that so.
Ah, I'm on fire. Ta. Yeah.
Me not hear nothing.
No, you're not.
You see that little girl, eh? Watch her again to back, so you get like a coffee in ears. You say she go sing when I in the air.
Cinco. We are you not sing?
No, me not tell you, so you come on. Watch her. She just love chat. Me raise up on the other day, you know.
Murder, me say.
Oh God. And where you come from?
As what?
How she on bigger?
You come out of the argument when you come in and talk to your sister, me and talk to.
No,
Where
she
you come
coming on
from?
my mouth.
That me should have days. Where you come from?
Where me I come from? Hello, you look up at me and me a big woman. You don't ask me that. Me older than you. You come from like a year bigger one than this. I'm did about my business. How that affect you? Where me I come from? Eh? Only thing you do is sit down now is well be a man do not you come and come question big woman. And me make money in this. And me make money at night time. And at daytime. So oh you are come ask me where me I come from.
From yesterday, guy, you come back to today? Then me must ask you where you come from. If I left me out this in the morning, you just come back?
Me a big woman, that's for sure I'm a big woman. Nobody don't ask me, you're my boss? You're my boss?
Me couldn't be a boss.
Stop that shit with the little girl, make the girl move, no man.
Alright, get up, go on.
If I do you, you're not chatting with
You're
her.
lucky, you hear? You must know. You must know, yeah.
If you make she start take things, and if you make she start do.
What? Me so convinced her to do this. She not ready yet. She need look more time. Wait, man, wait. We can wait. Let me think first.
Think about what?
Danya, what I think from Danya?
And let me talk about money right now. You talk about the busy boy paper, give me your money.
Oh. At that one.
$400. So much you have?
$100. $500.
So yeah, they sell done this up for $500.
Every make me come up. I give back and I want.
No man, give me man. No man, give me. Yeah man. Thank you. Remember for the other day, so the money I get shorter and shorter day by day.
Boy, you're lucky, you know. You have a good party. So you can lend me $200.
No.
One.
Me come get me yard no. Me no like what they go on.
So just come.
No man, me think you that give me something heavy, something big, but no.
Give me $200 and come here, I beg you. I'm agree. Murder, you know say a mad thing I go on, you know. Aye. Well, and them go call back. Come, sister come to me. Must hungry. Aye. We want to. She said a plan for change. So tell me, sister.
You have to change, you know, you have to change. You have to step up and do better as a big sister.
Listen to me, sister. You understand what you're saying? I'm about to take your advice this time and so if you listen to you and so forth. You understand?
But you can't just tell me say I gotta take you have to do it.
Sister, you know you want to say? Me say me go here. Me hear what you're saying and me go listen to you. Don't worry about you. You listen to what you're saying.
Make sure you listen. You see your friend and no friend them they fi keep.
Alright, you see, you go tell me if you listen to you. But you can't tell me friend them off a keep. One step at a time. You want me to change my lifestyle? Me change my lifestyle. But you can't tell me it type of friend them off a keep.
You can't change your lifestyle with that different because she a influence if you do things.
Yeah, me say me so call her back. Alright. Mm-hmm.
As she a influence if you do things. So you can't change your lifestyle with that different.
Sister, as me said before, you listen to what you say, and you can't tell me friend them off a keep. But anyway,
You must know, you know. You must know. But me tell you say, anything reach you, you're going to take it by yourself.
oh
'Cause me
really?
no- yes, anything you share, you alone are going to stand with it. Because me
Alright.
not got business. You probably shed little tears here, but that's it.
Alright, sister, later.
Gone.
Mm-hmm. Me done too. Can't tell me what to do.
Mom,
Bestie.
Wagwan.
What?
they can make a girl break you out.
And then there a chat about that. What is it?
Come on, road.
What ready?
Yeah. Now go clean for the whip. You know how me a whip you out the super that me see you now because I'm come over here, you know.
No, talk to my sister did that talk to me this man and I tell her so me change and something. Come
Me a 3 man one time, girl. I want bonus. Come on.
on.
3 man one time.
Mama, the one that the turbo. I never know. Answer.
Oh God. Never again. Me not take up so much client again.
Mama,
I not take up so much one time.
me never know say so much of
What me not understand? You and you every day only get up and run on the body red. Unu run nobody, unu have us, unu not have no car, unu not have no money. Wanna get out and run on nobody red. Come past girl. Listen to me.
no,
Listen to me.
the violence part.
Listen to me. Every day you run your body red. You don't have no money, you're broke.
We
And then
need
you
your face
over
now.
the start oh, me broke, no client, no this, I look for you.
Hello,
Make me hold on,
No,
make me
man.
hold on. No, you
No.
can't do your hair, you can't do your nails, you can't do your you can't. No, me move faster, girl, move faster. Let go from me now. You remember me to the last one? You remember me to the last? Watch it. And ears you go catch. Syphilis.
Girl, go on now, girl. Me.
All you, I be a thing the man must be that girl mouth.
What?
Girl, let go from me because you like your body dusty and my sinus act up.
Man, a bacteria come out for me, no, cause me no
Me
want
tell you
to
the next thing. You remember what we do to the last one?
No, Kayla, you can't talk then sitting there on the road.
Hey,
Relax yourself, man.
That girl you know who me be, you know. That
Relax.
girl you know who me be, you know.
That time I talk, no, you can't make people know the things that we do. Make them take me as that the type of person where they having at their head. You can't just dip on the road and I say, remember we do that.
Shut up. Yeah, this. Shut up your mouth. Shut up. Yeah, what make you like diss me, bow my body, you like diss about your body, you turn up, I play calm. Yeah, idiot.
Because me no want no violent.
Girl, you say if you turn up for yourself this proudly. Me I said I'm proud that you can't bring me down. I lick my lick in her face. Come on, come on, come on, yeah, come on. You don't understand how to do.
Hello. Yeah.
Come, we have a mission right now for go mission. Get up my before mission, money mission. Hurry up, hurry up.
Hold on them, yeah, come.
Go on.
I want my
my God. Hold up, y'all. Oh, Lord. Well, I'm going to spit at it alone and get this teeth put it together.
And I tell you, see, so the same man I run it down for.
Look at your money. How much money I
I'm
get?
counting.
Me back to him. How I'm rolling.
For this. We kill them all and get up.
You think you know we don't come so far?
I'm not. Remember saying they pass.
Look how much he nearly catch we. You never hear the bike something wrong with the ears?
Income right I get what we did there, you don't realize that, Mama.
Mama, me realize everything.
I'm not telling a lie.
But look what amount of money you give me.
So one more day.
Thank you.
But girl, I'm not telling a lie, I'm kind of afraid, you know.
Me say, girl, I see the man yesterday at the bank account out on one bag of money. I mean, I did one other client, you know. Yes. Me decide we have to rob him.
What?
Where you do your money now?
I don't know, I forgot to invest in a something. What you did for you?
Yeah, invest in some business. If I can take this a little bit and turn into something big, I have to put on my ears like the girl him. So, how they say, all this can say so.
Hello?
Yeah.
Hello? Come on.
Yeah, good on. Riri. Hi. Me can sit down? So, a while ago me I come from up the road can I go collect some from somebody. And I see a sister, she a come to US. Me don't know where they get so much US from. She a one next red one.
What you mean?
One next tuku
When my
one.
sister fi get money from and she not work.
I must thief them thief, you know. But all the thing I see them I do, I count out money. I do like them tired too.
Wait till when she come down here. She mean cause me know say she not work and me don't know where she get money from to count out money. So when she come down here, me and her.
Yeah, you need to ask her. Anyway, that I can't tell her to me go back on me yard. No matter go tell her say me say no. Me no know nothing. Alright.
Hallelujah, hallelujah, I'm so glad. Well, go on, sister,
Where
alright?
you come from?
As what?
Where you come from? Make you see up the road account out whole for money. Where you come from? Where we get money, whole for money for your account out?
My word. Lady. No, which one are we bigger?
It no matter
No, which one are we bigger?
Where you get the money from?
No worry about where me get the money from. Me a big woman, me a no pitney. Me have to work for what me want.
Which work you do? What kind of work?
No worry about what kind of work me do.
Exactly.
That's not your business.
Exactly.
All the thing you do is sit down in yard. See the look. You want something for yam, and my money make you yam. You want something for whatever, do anything you want to do on my money. See there go poor boy knows other day who give money. You pay your boy your ears 3 times, who give money?
You, but when
the blouse where you have on and the chain where you have on, who give the money?
You.
Exactly. So no question me. You hear? Alright.
So girl, what your sister say about the situation?
She not go on the most way. Every time I talk to her, she go on the most way. And I can talk about oh she buy me this and she buy me that. Me not really say nothing, because you see what she do for me.
Yeah.
Me not really say. Then
So
what
what the bigger one?
No, she the bigger one.
Well, girl, me don't know if I tell her say no because she a go on like say she big, but she don't big.
So she older than me, she go on to her.
Well,
the situation she feed me can't really say nothing about me, because if she top do what she do, me no hungry. She say I work, me don't know what kind of work.
well, so money. Let me see I with there. Anyways, where you say I go an idea, girl?
Not a thing, we just play for still and I say. Probably we don't go cook. What you are gonna do?
Mom, I prefer go and bar, go drink some rum. I go out, go get an ice cream.
Well, if you go buy ice cream, then probably me come with you.
You don't know two girl named Pekisha and Tekisha?
No, what happened?
You don't know say a girl and go in and place and thief much $1,000 US dollars.
So where Well, if they thief your money, you know just go back, go work again and get another and get some more money and uplift back yourself. Then I feel like better.
Miss, excuse me, what is your name?
Riri.
Riri, you idiot. You know, in a sense, you know much 1,000 million that in a Jamaican.
I'm say, me don't know who name so. So best thing is go manners. That boy don't know the manners, you know.
And if the girl and take away money, why am I come and ask you if I will take your money? You know who take your money?
You try go look for who take your money, because don't me take your money, cause start brighten himself.
And that's him figure do and they figure alone. Anyways, you see, I that me a talk about me no yeah.
That's why I don't run trying to joke, you know. Nobody can call my name say me thief their money, because me no walk and thief man money.
Can I tell
And
you?
any man me a day with them and them and give me money, because me now go just see their money put on and take you up.
Me neither. So if anybody thief fee money, you better go look for them.
But Pekisha and Tekisha.
Who name so?
Try go look for them. Girl, come on.
You need see them when them are there, even not there with them.
No see girl them.
Well, come here, we'll go buy your ice cream.
Girl, what's going on?
I call like me over here with your mama. About half an hour, I call you.
Girl, I'm not girl.
What you do?
I'm a business woman now. From me get that piece of food there.
So,
Me a
where you
business
start
woman.
doing the money?
Me start invest, mama.
You know what, mama?
Big business.
Yeah.
Look at me. Me a big time business woman now. Me start doing a little fenke job there now. I left a 5 street cause.
You do big business, right?
You see
What?
what happened? Top go road.
Me? I can't tell when last I got there, mama, after what happened. I not even know if man I search through his head.
You can't look for me, you can't find me.
Me not
I wrong name, me tell him.
After me not tell him my right name neither. Wait. So we tell him say your name, mama?
Tekisha.
Rotted. Me tell him say my name Pekisha.
You know why my name Tekisha?
Why?
Cause I go fi take the man them
Which
money.
is right.
Money.
But
So,
mama, how much money me dey give again?
no fight over.
So what kind of business you say you start?
Mama, me start one salon. Whole heap of things, girl. I can't tell her my business.
Wait. What you mean you can't tell me your business? Look how long me up on the road, mama.
Alright, girl. Not
Years. I know you make one look for $4,000. You want come go on like you want this
me
me.
have one Suzuki a come. You know them cheap there. One second hand one.
Me not understand you know. Can you get $4,000, you know?
Yeah.
So how the hell you buy Suzuki with
Remember, say me
$4,000?
tell you, say. You say me put the money here, so. It is small, but me tell you, say, make it come big. Me invest in something.
So you invest in her?
This Suzuki.
Suzuki.
Yeah.
You know what me feel like something fishy about you.
You fishy about me. You smell
Like-
under me.
No,
Just
I'm
smell
not talking about your vagina.
See, I talk about
No,
fishy
about your
then.
vagina. But me feel like something fishy about your mom.
No fishy about me.
Why me feel like you're not sharing money right?
Girl, you did it. Remember the hard time for the share money, mama, and I thought we did it run. When we got hard time.
But remember, so me always there back, mama. And you take people like
And not
money.
my
you know.
fault you're too big where you can't run. Is that my fault?
I this me?
Me not dissing, I'm just talking the facts.
Mama, I conversation done you say no, come get your yard.
No, mama, me I relax it a little bit. So what you do with your money? Me don't talk woman. Talk about yours.
No,
what you
me
do with
not
yours.
bother tell me I do with mine.
Sis,
What go on?
talk to you in the house a little bit.
Huh?
More talk to you in
Who?
the house a little bit. You.
Anything you have to tell me right there so in front of me and my friend. It will listen, me no want go in that house. Anything you have to say it yes or no. In front of me. I want to you. Take a foot. Well, me not even know if to call you. Take a drum foot.
Not ginger fly that.
Or ginger fly, whatever you want name. Me not talk to you. Yeah.
Well, when they out there, so sit down. You see, and one bike man just ride up sudden stuff and and I can ask the 2 girls. One named Pekisha and one named Tekisha.
So now look so.
What you mean? Oh, we are
Now the
look
wrongs.
suspicious, sir.
Yeah, but the man money time I look through no.
We don't like tea.
Hello, wait. None of that have to ask him. What my name? Marika. How are your name?
Kayla, me know.
Don't. So you want to ask you about Pekisha and tell me not even know your name them. What they mother did that thing? Them sound like them a twin. No?
I ain't call talk about if I we. You like a thief to you?
Oh, me can't come and say, mama.
See, I come to if I.
So now look on the one in the
Mama go on in the house and excuse for you, so. Wait. Yes, when I go in there, don't make them all go sit down on my bed, you know. Because when she got people yard, she ever catch her ass on people bed. Because I don't know if I wash under this from morning.
Me know you know if I wash under this, I can't if I walk on and tell nobody.
What go on? Mama. Hey man, me tell you, some never want to do this with you, you know. Me tell you, some never want to do this, you put me in a problem.
Put in a problem?
You make him look for me.
No.
You see, make him are you him look for? No, you name Tekisha. Boy, you come to take. My name Marika. Conga ya yard. Go on.
Mama, if you start talk, it's supposed to go book up on me, man.
Me no business with you. Go on. Me go start bleach.
You know what we go do? You think more bleach? With that now?
No, go runway.
We can't run, no man. They go fly. When they doing that, so look how far we go take him, man.
No, we have to left from your son.
Mama, we go get rid of the man.
We go.
We knock him out and tie him up and starve him. We fi get rid of the man.
Ma, all us they don't so no, we can't time up down there, no. But we gonna get back to him, man. We go screeching pan him one of the evening or morning.
When they will sneak up on him and knock him out. Cause then our area. How could him?
So he can't lose his memory.
We can hire somebody. And when in the panic bag, we can make somebody kick you over with him.
You got to find.
Yes.
Right this one, girl. Right this one.
We have to fight.
We have to fight.
Yeah,
Come on.
yeah.
Yeah, later.
Yeah, this car look like on the Mini Pro box. Yeah. Hello. Come here now. Mom.
Wait there, now you other day talk right there so bun up on the bike and this me. And you come and call me now?
Well, I meet up on bike and this. That's somebody else, man. What me this say?
You did had about how me not even quite remember what you said, but
that mean it don't matter then. Don't worry about that, man. So I did.
No, me just walk with them on the road. So walk along. You find the girl they met?
I may not find them, but how far down the road they walk go?
Right down at this shop, me go buy something.
Oh, I'm going to carry in a beast too, but show you walk, I don't know really nothing. Can't walk with something. So I did.
No, I'm just there.
No, I'm sitting for drink.
Yeah, buy me something to drink?
Of course. Or you can carry back something for me to drink.
$100.
Girl, I say I buy you something for drink. I never say I buy you something for eat too.
Alright, me wait with you.
So what's your name?
My name Riri. See money on a job.
You know auntie man.
Actually.
I realize. Riri. So how old are you?
Me? Old enough.
Old enough. Old enough so I can get your number.
Yeah, me can give you.
That me I talk about. Alright, Riri. Yeah, where you see you then?
Alright. You can call me too.
Boy, more than oranges are.
Boy, my boy in like one.
What, my girl?
What, there?
Long time I not see you. You not company road again. Start stay home now.
Good best thing you ever do.
Yeah, your sister good now or she still going with her foolishness?
You know, she never change. When you talk to her, she says she change.
So you plan to do, girly?
Me not do nothing but that thing, sir.
No, with the sister me talk.
What me for do
you
with
go continue make she rule you?
Remember she older than me, no? So what me for do?
Your name no sound good on the streets too. But
me only want no mind not on the streets.
You can buy more craving here.
Me tell you, so me not buy no cigarette, you know. But me I go buy you one still.
Yeah, give me money. Why they see I for your money?
Yeah. No, you see, me no want you to come back with me change, so me will go buy you. So me soon come back.
Hurry up,
yeah,
man.
come.
No, sir, me stay for your way.
Well, me soon come back then.
Alright, hurry up.
Yeah.
Well, you come get from the birthday party to your school.
Get where I come from.
Girl, you know what about hope like not where I come from. Not the birthday party me go. Where you a go?
You know, see a shop me I go do or something me I go buy.
Here. Anyways, me have something to tell a girl, you don't know what to say. The man, you remember the man with that pass from the back and ask who Pekisha. See me out the road a while ago, girl. I look me. I'ma give me number.
Girl, an opportunity for you. And him say him have ball for US over there. Go get some of the US instead of make you get them teeth from him.
Well, maybe get some of the US and I go give girl I make can carry out you.
Yeah.
A girl we go get Rick's face.
Yeah, girl.
So girl don't worry yourself, I'm gonna ship US to me and you. So which part you say I go over so?
Yeah, up I shop up there. So
Alright, may I go so get in.
Alright, later.
Allow me there wait for you.
Yeah, top smoke. Me tell you top smoke.
So you buy it and then you crush it out.
For sure, if you top smoke, if you top it.
So after you buy with your money, you crush it out.
Yeah.
So all that makes sense.
You know, make sense, but either way, top smoke.
So
Come go up.
So what I'm on the road, you never
Come go down. You don't
you run me a yard?
Yes, come go down.
When last I see a dirty friend? The one named Riri.
What does have to do with you?
You call me, tell you no. She go put you in a fool. When you go in a wall and then see him cook there, you go call for help you.
Me not call you, no. Me not call you, because you can't even help yourself. You know one. Go on here.
Hello.
Hello?
Where you pretty ladies going to?
Navi,
Come on. What that?
what happened?
Girl, if you're so familiar.
How
We just tap them for accent.
Navi, how
Me ask, the girl if you're so familiar, but we can't pick up from it. Like me, I tap them and ask them. You remember the girl when me I tell us a thief my money?
Yeah.
Pet and text it none of that.
But then the girl there name so.
What their name?
One of them named Marika and one named Kayla.
No man, I them there girl, me sure about it. I them the girl that thief my money.
Many hallucinate because them the girl that don't name Peter Pet, they name one name Marika and one name Kayla.
Riri. You idiot, I them the girl, me don't know if I that.
Okay, me not really business because me know what the girl them name and you know what you know. So let's that alone.
Like you know where they live. You know where they live.
Yeah, me know which part they live.
Sorry, we come from my bike, then you know, I have to tell them much. Come on, man. See the girl, my girl, that take me much dog.
I don't them. You don't know the girl them. The girl that don't name Patricia, whatever you want to call the word. One name Kayla, one name Marika.
Yeah,
So let's off of that now. Me sure.
So how do you?
No, you're alright. Where they go now?
I pass. But let me tell you, it kind of get flat. Somebody ask the girl if they know which part in your style shop there.
Yes, one day up the road.
And if I run in there and go up there for show me away. Come here.
No, I know that they must show you.
How they must show me?
You just pull up on the girl them so. The girl them no must run.
No, I style man. But I saw we just pull up regular now.
Anyways, come on.
Come on man, follow me go to the shop and tap on this.
Something what?
Watch out. Then how me I go so far?
Is that right?
So them are not gonna
right. That's right. Them come up for a mission, man.
Hello, ma'am. How happen?
You do?
But you gonna run bolt to go in the house and lock all the door?
No, you listen to me right now. You see, if nobody come here and ask you, I want you live here, tell them say you one.
You're there.
Yeah. All this handicap here.
You're there.
Tell them say you one live here. No mention say you have a sister. You hear? Assign to them here.
Yeah, come in.
Hi. You. Come. Pack it up. Come go your yard.
Huh?
Come go your yard. Cause nobody will come hard and pull me with the two of you. You must know what you do. And anybody come in me and tell them say there cause they not catch me for you.
Listen to me. You want me put you out?
Well, me we go along, but we are not catch me
Then go
for
on.
you. Go on your yard.
Tonight is
One at your yard.
Later, yeah, girl.
Go on your yard.
So where no run from? Shh.
You must know no up to your ear.
Listen to me. Pack the bag and go find somewhere rent. Because this house, I see this house, soon and soon somebody are going to come tear it down town. That not right, here? That door right.
So make you a crash and a galang.
No man, the one when me born today did hot. The one that is healthy.
You sure say I send you your bun?
Yeah, tell you the truth, say.
Yeah, you need to go check out yourself.
We need to check out what your sister do. You see them a run.
Me
come
soon find
and
out
go
what
tell
she
them,
a
say,
do.
"Ah, you want to leave your body while them a put you in a me gun before nobody can kill me."
Me gone to you now, cause me want not turn out here.
So what now?
I'm just there. I don't go for a look relationship ago.
Yes, it's going good. So you alright? You
What?
don't look alright.
Tell you the truth, me alright now, but the money what me missing it has stress me. And every day me nice when I look for them girl there. Every day car. I swear me nah make the money that good on your dream so.
Well, all thing me have to tell us say is that you have to just. So we are gonna do.
I'm planning in my head man. Me I talk look for them.
You want to look for them?
Yeah.
So okay, that sounds better.
I top look for them. Me a pay one man for look for them.
Eh?
Me a pay one man for look for them.
So we are gonna get money for pay man for look for them.
Me have one other bike. So me just all sell it and pay the man. And that man they have to find them.
That do not make no sense.
What you mean that make no sense?
It's time we are gonna pay one man to look for two idiot girl for just get back one little bit of money. Better you just take your money and go find some constructive though. Better you go take your money and go start one business.
Business can't come after. Me have to get my revenge.
No, sir.
Me my life right that's something me have to get my revenge. I'm all about my money. Every single dollar.
Well, if they're not able to find them, what you gonna do?
Don't worry about that. But the man find them, then him will chat about everything.
Why? That be not one moments. It just you have to just low it. Because you don't gone bad already. What if them use the money, done the money? What you gonna do? What you gonna do?
I'm stuck in my ways man. Me now will not meant to choke money. Believe me, me have to get back money.
Well, me not know if you convince you otherwise. If you find a girl, I'm just so.
Actually, I not even know the amount of things me have planned for that Monday. And you come attack.
But I can't go make other money. You rather put yourself in a danger. What if you, why me even know what to
no
say?
danger. Me is the danger. You
Yeah.
have to be aware of that. If they know it before they take my money.
Jesus Christ.
But Jesus alone can help them.
Not even like Jesus can ever come. If Jesus could have even, Jesus would have helped a long time.
You help them, make them get it. If you help them, then carry back. Let me find them before.
Well,
What you
I
want to chat now?
hope you don't find those girls, cause boy, I don't know where you go to them if you find them.
Me myself no know. Me myself no know.
Why? Here,
We're still in time. After a fuck. So one more time I know babes. I
alright.
look at appointment.
Okay then, later.
Bye bye.
Okay, bye bye. Maybe call you.
Okay.
Girl, what happened?
I'm there.
Oh God, they just still not so.
Because I'm in the house hot, I just feel tormented. I feel like take a break.
No, I feel like I want to take a walk then.
Boy, at this point, better me come in. I'm see what I do right now.
Come man, come on, go walk with them man.
Right.
Come. Oh, you, Marika's sister, come here. Me say I'm to come over here, now, but I show me some difficulties on the road. So, where Marika dey? Can me call her phone and I get her. So, I like if you could tell her, say me call her.
Friend, day when me see you already, cause bulls come in our house, there, so I'm run you got your yard. I don't see her back. Are you, me shouldn't have asked where she there.
Me don't know where Marika dey. How feel where Marika dey? No, yeah, Marika live in our house.
No, you America there on the road every day. No, you America there everywhere.
So you know how long since Marika missing? You know, report it. What happened? What happened to Marika?
Miss her, me don't know what she there. Me fear ask you what she there. From the day you and her both coming in the house, no one not talk. What kind of thing you know here?
We don't know
Me
nothing.
tell her say no anything she get she go and take because me say
We that
we
train.
search for her with no
We that train for Olympics.
only that train for Olympics.
So Olympics take away.
It looks so.
Me no know. I don't know.
So
Well-
you're never friend, you don't know who take off.
I'm for know who take Marika. Me left Marika over in yard.
Well, since I'm in that train for Olympics, you look like she gone if you. So you need to go.
So Marika there.
Which way you say you know that train for?
Sure. We just start
You and her
exercise.
is the same thing. So you supposed to know what she there.
Why we do the same thing?
No, you and her.
Me and her.
What you ask me? Me would have asked you the same thing.
Hello. If I see you don't move from face, me tap in your head.
Stepping out of her head.
Me know Marika there.
Me, you go on here.
You know
better
Marika's
find her,
sister.
'cause anyhow, she not come back in by this evening. Remember me tell you say you me go down the station go tell them.
You can't go to the station for me.
You me I tell them say you know that. Come on here.
That's a crackhead there.
I say, you see that little girl? He lying. You see, any see your sister by 12 o'clock tonight, you call the police.
I know. and
Call
then
the
me go and
police
tell them,
because
say,
me will carry the police
She
them up
know
our
where
yard.
me.
You see, that little girl there now. You see, when she and America running, both them are trained for Olympics. Or she not get through.
It look like America get you and gone.
Then not some bad dealings, man.
She-
Father, can me wonder if I take with the man, take with Marika already. Jesus Christ, and gone with Marika. Oh, poor Marika. What wrong with you?
Eh?
What's happened there?
Listen to me now. From yesterday, you see me and my friend, I walk and you go call me cokehead. Me don't know cokehead, you know. I true me want my friend to say me they try change, but me never attack you about it, you know. So me they attack you now. Do something about it now.
How you just do? How you really just do?
It's like you know,
Hold
see
on.
what me just do.
This is one iPhone 11. You know, flat my much. How you just do?
You know, see?
Mad girl, man. You should run. Stop idiot girl, man. Hey. So my head chip right on me. I can't find Marika. Oh, no, don't put me in there, man, in here, man. Oh, bomba.
Morning. Yeah, I know, say. Me I come down, I come check you. And me see a little dirty sister friend. A little black one. After me they walk peacefully, you know. A little girl bunks me, you know. I mean, I eat and smoke now from man, he bunks healthy, you know. And listen to me, you know. I want you see her and want her, you know, because me say you bunks, so she bunks me, I lick me back.
There, job.
Me lick all me back. It's like you don't understand. Right now, me pain up. You don't need for one. One come here, I'm mad smart, you know. And me no smoke nothing for a week, you know. So you need for what tell her says, but when she come over, you can look for your liar sister. Or whenever she dep on the road, you see her, you tell her, say, me say, "Hey, leave me alone, because me a mad girl." Anyways, the liar one not come back yet. He still dep on the run.
I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what
But
she did.
you don't even know if I run dep on her, then take you away. But
The next thing too.
me just come over here to tell us if you want that little black girl, you know. Cause the next day she see me and bunks me in a pinky. Me I tell her the truth, you know, me they take up some stone and fling, you know.
Then you should tell them I'm feeling after my business with you.
It's like you don't understand, it bunks when me get put me back.
You should have get up with stone.
No, by the time me get up, a girl run. You know, say me I come get me hard. Cause imagine me come over here come tell say girl bunks me nearly all my back lick up. Instead of get about her chair and fling me a piece of old phone and come help me find the girl. You sit down. You sit down and go tell me say me never fling back stone.
Bunks too?
Mama, you're bigger than me, you're thicker than me, you eat no food. Me not eat no food.
So I cannot eat no food.
See right now, I go about my business. I can't bother with you. You see you're not a good friend. Answer to them, they drop you.
When me see her again, me beat her for you, yeah. Remember me wore one beating.
Girl,
What happened?
me there, so me I go and check you.
What happened? Me there.
What I got on
Sit down here. Wonder where my sister she there.
What you mean? What's a chain a good mama? Come on, me job.
Me say, from what day me see she and the other one, Kayla, she bolt come in, right?
Yeah.
From that, me no see her back. After that, the day, me no see her back.
Girl.
And me see Kayla, she hot the day so. And she go ask me when me, my sister there. And she and I have the pan road.
Yeah.
Right?
Boy, girl, me tell you about a bad company there. You see that bad company there? When you Kayla, a bad company that. Your sister if you know better, so you report the situation.
Me afraid for gas station, you know. Me afraid for gas station. Me tired for one her about Kayla.
Why?
For one her. Me know, so she know what she doing, you know.
So
Me
where
know
you
she
think
know
do
what
her?
she
Where you
do.
think do her? I feel like I want to come and she gonna check her or something.
Me no know if a man she gonna take, man she gonna check, man take her away. Me no know.
Why?
Me no know.
You rough.
Cause the amount of things that they hear a road, you don't even know what to believe.
I don't lie. Girl, Kayla is a bad company. I'm been a talk to you and tell us if you tell your sister to come out of the company there. Can you see this and this me did a talk about you know this what happened now? Your sister can't find.
And maybe not talk to her. Me talk to her day in, day
And
out,
speaking
and she
of that,
still.
you know say the little man on me I talk to girl. The man stop until he find it two girl, let me know. The one on name Patricia and the next one
Takisha and Takisha. Well,
Oi! America there.
me fi ask you America there.
America there, cause something really a go on the road that the man in America there. Me come to call her at the house now. Mama, you don't see America no there ya. Where America there? Yeah, that I mean.
Yeah. Who else you fi talk to?
Mama.
You come and ask America. America, from the day you take America out of yard and you and Bowl come back here, you find him? Olympics not call it yet. What day you me see girl, you know, girl I go tell me about how them that sign up for Olympics. So you like Olympics take America and not take she.
So you make Olympics take America and take you. We just see that run. And she run come over here. The next day,
I know that you tell me. You tell me say we no join Olympics.
Yeah, idiot.
Me sorry Trish no there, cause me and Trish they go there, you see? She dey tell me about them a join Olympics. Oi, and you see when me see my friend on the road, you more you leave me friend.
That crooked one there, come push me. She lucky say me never have the good energy that in the morning, yeah. That does her.
Then one of them I tell
me that concern. Girl, at this point, you're concerned to go and look for the girl.
You want one flashlight?
Say that one, yeah.
You want one flashlight cause night how come and you not catch my sister?
Everybody business, America there. Mama? Everywhere we there, you always there. So America there now. Mama, I don't know. Me America apart. And me America they run all over the place. And me America they tour down the whole place. So people can go. And me America go take man. Look the girl.
Go on man, go on, go your yard, go your yard.
But you
come and ask America and I do America the fan road at the time.
Man and they tour down the place. Sit down. Go and go look for the people.
You know my sister, you know nobody to me.
You! Maria said this morning, you were not hot for me, but you were not see. You take a little time and go and look for them. Oh! You better see a tall spot she dey all the time because I'm too tired. I said, I'm not hard with
ever tired. Oh, your body run hot, you ever tired.
In the side run your body red, what you have in a life? No, for your foot or dirty foot girl like you. You all want a new hairstyle. Continue. Continue, make me take this and knock you over. Continue, no? Continue. Relax yourself. Continue. And mind I broke your hand, cause remember say, Mama, when I broke your hand, hungry dead. You're dead for hungry.
Liquor, cause you're a bad girl. You come over me yard, come and talk about this and that and whatever. Come out of me yard. You know what? I'm gonna find my sister that you figure do you come and ask every day for my sister. Go find him.
Every day you run your body yard, man. Beat out a little body, young girl like you before you go find one little work. Tell me now. Bad company should be bad influence.
And every day she come and ask me if America and I share in America.
Me tell but anyways, me tell me little time what come go for my yard. Cause me no want.
You better wait a little bit before you go.
Me not afraid of her neither.
You're not afraid? Alright, go on.
Girl, later. Take care of yourself. If I know you call me.
Go along.
That dirty girl is so out. Alright, watch me on her. Me find something. Cause me not laughing no girl, but me a whore on it, please. Move. Move. Eh? A little dirty girl. All the thing good for in just a whore on your place, in just running body red. Eh? Ah, yeah. Hey girl! Hey girl! Who you call dirty girl? You see you? Who you call orange girl? Who a whore on the place? You just relax yourself. You chill the rest you think you're big bad and who you call whore? Just relax. Who you call whore? Relax. Eh? Girl! I'll try her one more time. But it's not safe at all. Marika, thank God say your answer, girl. How are you there? Which part that? I don't know them. That's not how I name. Girl, so why you pick up yourself and run gone? No, sir. One on I may get for find out, say, the money. Why me even stash off a little bit for myself. I never that alone did it. Okay, so all along you that tap me on my back. Marika, may I tell you the truth, Marika? I go and do something where you go and feel it and I'm not going to regret it. You mean boy if nothing done that important? Remember, say you have your sister done you and I will look for the man and tell the man, say, how your sister thief the money, you know. I will look for him. You mean boy, me not do that. That's why I'm not afraid to do that, Marika. You know where yourself. You remember, you can hang up phone on me ears. No, sir. I'm go find a man there now. Yawa.
Girl!
Don't run.
Girl!
Don't run.
Me have to run, come. Me see something like you, me have to run.
Come here.
Last time.
Come, me not beat you again. Come. Good evening.
Where's that?
Me see a thumb. Yeah, there one man. Yeah, you know him?
Yes, I'm a man.
You're a man.
Yeah, my man.
You're a man that?
Yeah, my man that. So
like I am man. You know party in there come here say I give a work and thing. I'm not like to get a job.
oh yeah, me know which part in them. Me I got team right now, so I can't carry out. You come? Alright, come on now. Go on for.
You're not afraid of me. Me not bite you.
No, me not sure about that. Last time. You know what you do to me. Come on. Yes. So girl, I want to talk to you.
Yes. Yes, I'm here at your time. Please, want to talk about something important.
Yeah, give me a minute, please.
Sir, me hear in the street say two girls thief some money from you.
So, what you mean in the streets? I found a sitting me I walk and tell people how you hear that.
Because me in the street, so me hear it. You see what I say? But the truth is that you can't tell. You can't tell nobody, you know.
Tell nobody
Not
what.
even your woman, when me I go tell you, you can't call but my name and say me tell you.
Lady, me don't even know your name.
Don't worry about that. What me I say is that
But your face look kind of familiar still. May I talk before?
no, this a face here. No, say this a face I know we at all. And that we are talking about your money.
You're sure?
Yeah, man, me sure more I get to the point and that will combo. We no combo my face. You understand? Because I want to move for just right now. What me I say is that I know two girl rob you, you know.
More than two, girl.
No. A one. It's just that two girl did it at the wrong place at the wrong time.
So I'm at there run.
You make them run.
Yeah.
You see one man already done pound one bike, you not go run.
Would I ask you when I ride me down for?
No, me especially me with a run. But what me I say is that
So you hear somebody ride them down for a bike? You did it?
No, me never did it. Like you deaf, you know. Me I say in the streets, me hear things that talk. And me then I street, so me I go hear. But as me I say, me I tell you, I want brown lady.
What kind of brown lady that?
She brown.
I said that already.
Yeah, cause she brown.
She brown or what?
And then call her Pinky. She named Pinky.
So how you know say a brown pinky take my money?
Because it's Pinky in the streets, I mean hear it.
You have to give me some more information on that. 1 million pinky were brown in the world.
Alright, me tell you what she mean. You know she part the rent house by Judith yard?
The big tenement yard.
Yes.
Yeah.
She live on the board part, on the back.
Yeah.
So just go over there and you just call Pinky. And no matter what she tell you say, don't believe what she say.
So you sure say everything you tell me right?
Yeah, you right.
Mama, I'm tell her this now. See if when I go around there to brown pinky will live around a tenement yard, Miss Judy tenement yard.
Yeah.
You better make sure say right information you give me. You hear me I tell her say? You understand?
Yeah.
So that alone you forward for tell me.
Yeah man, that alone, me go now.
Hold on.
What?
You know, so me only 100 grand per me do, so I can't really gain that.
No man.
That money.
That
See you again.
No man, you don't have to give me nothing at all. All me ask if you do, don't tell nobody say me telling you.
I never see you, I never have no
Good. Alright.
Alright.
Hey, I want to talk about salam.
Yeah, I thought about some real estate.
Me don't, what's your name again? Was it Kayla? Up the road, over the lane. I don't remember how she come from. You know, even the school like she. So, how kind of work? Yeah. I'm a friend, sister friend, some friend business. So, nothing.
See, I move right now, and I look at things to do with when I road so that.
Alright, I go there, go over me and go and chill out. So if I not here, just call me.
Let's see the call idea.
How that? Oh? Oh, forward me, General. Yourself for going on now.
Remember the situation I'm there to tell about. I get some information from how do it, but I'm not told something. I want somebody to say price of cut in half. So you're all going.
Yo. No price can cut. A broad daylight. You should have given me more.
So you're all going. One girl.
True, me know you know. Talk. I'm gonna do it fast.
One girl named Pinky. Herself, she's a very nice brown. Run a program and file out X.
Just tell me location, skin color, and name. That's it.
Alright, my G. So, Pinky. You live over me to the tenement yard right down the road. You know which one you're Yeah, she's brown. She live at a back house. That's why I inquire about Pinky. You know, so she get everything. And I hold it for money me and pay.
Yo. So me do work. No, me have to call her for my money. You see, once me call her, just know say a page I get page. And you don't want a page out of the book here. You hear?
Stay up, man.
Do it right.
What's happening now, girlie?
So with the hope this, I'm still under the tree. You see a money, you say push you.
Yes.
I see you push her.
Girl, I'm telling you, there's a girl there, like, that pushy girl, push me, girl.
Anyway, she come and she up there. Girl, take up her banana on that tree, feel it really in her face. Me have to run her out her yard. And she did come and ask for me, but I record it again.
Girl, me want to use the bathroom. Me can't use the bathroom. I want to ruin it.
Man, and I piece up it and see.
Mama, me not do that. Girl, girl, Pinky.
You reach the end of the movie, yeah, me know. End sad. No, but good than young. What am I tell you? Comment if no want to part 2. Let me see if I can learn part 2. Comment if no want to, but it's a very sad moment. A moment of silence for Pinky to pass away in the movie. Alright, you subscribe now and put the bell to all.